Are you talking to your cow? You want to show Auntie Angie how much you like your cow? Aunt Angie, I mean. Oops. Gotta get used to that. Was that exciting? Will you talk to it again? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. You're kicking your legs. You show her how you kick your legs. Say hi, cow. It's so exciting. Isn't it awesome? Okay, one more time. Okay, bye, Aunt Angie.